Hi guys, it's Riley and Noel here. Today we'll be showing you how to make a volcano without just 2 cups, bicarb soda, vinegar and food dye. So you firstly need to place the 2 cups on the grass.
Do I need a tablespoon?
Nope, just put
Don't use too much of that stuff.
some food dye in each cup.
I'll put the bicarb soda in.
Whatever you want. Go like that.
Wait, don't touch it.
And then, wait, no. And then, we're making a turquoise colour. We're going to put some blue in there.
Spoon.
Don't need a spoon.
Yeah, to put the bicarb soda in.
No, you just, oh yeah, you need to do the bicarb soda really quick. So then you pour some vinegar in, because it won't explode. About that much vinegar in each cup. And beware, it will stain the concrete if you have any concrete.
Okay,
This
3,
what happens.
1.
Get some more. And that's how you make a volcano. And it works better with 2 cups. So that's how you make a volcano. Thanks, bye.